Hey YouTube, today we're gonna make a chicken pot pie. These are the seasonings I'll be using. I'll be using some smoked paprika, kosher salt, black pepper, garlic powder, and that's an onion. I have a potato back there, some green peas, some carrots, and this is some chicken stock. And we're gonna use chicken thighs. So right here I got 3 chicken thighs sliced up into small pieces, and I have the onions in there also cooking. I have 2 pastry pies that I'm going to be using. One of them is already cooked for 5 minutes in the oven. This one here I'm going to be using for the top. So I have the onions, the chicken, and the sliced carrots already put together, and I'm going to pour in my chicken stock. That's not enough liquid, so I did add a little bit more water. Put in your green peas and potatoes, and I'm going to stir it up together. So now I'm going to make the thickening sauce. So I'm just going to take a little bit of the liquid, pour it in some water, and add some cornstarch to thicken it up. I like my gravy to be a little bit thick. You don't have to put as much as I did. That was a tablespoon. Add in the cornstarch mixture and let it simmer until it gets a little bit thick. Now this is what it looks like. It's nice and thick. So what I did was I just made the pastry into a ball. So we want to flatten this out so it's big enough to cover the whole top part of the pie. Take a knife and cut around the edges about a ½ inch thick around the whole entire pie, and then crump it up inside. It's not going to be the prettiest, but it's good enough. And then we're going to take the knife and poke some holes in it to give it ventilation, so when it cooks, the steam from the food will release and it's not all bubbling over. So we're going to set the oven for 350. Check it after 25 minutes to see if the top is nice and brown, then you're done. So this is what it looks like after I taken it out. And it was really good. I'm telling you guys, if you try this, let me know how yours turned out. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you guys next video.